Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. Remove the engine cover. The first connector you'll access is the intake manifold pressure sensor. Connect the A cable there. You should hear a sharp click. That click confirms the connector is fully locked in place. Next, connect the B cable to the boost pressure sensor. When plugging in the connectors, you should hear a sharp click. That click confirms the connector is fully locked in place. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.